A combat veteran, a military affairs expert, and an author of over 20 titles. Major General G.D. Bakshi's latest work, Soma, seeks to reopen doors to India's ancient heritage of the Vedic wisdom. We take a look.
Combat veteran, a military affairs expert, and an author of over 20 titles, General G.D. Bakshi's latest work, Soma, seeks to open the doors to India's ancient heritage of Vedic wisdom. Soma, General G.D. Bakshi asserts, will dismantle the attempts to demonize the liberal faith of Hinduism.
That the Indic civilization is under attack. We have in the United States 45 universities ganging up to do a seminar dismantling Hindutva, and in the bargain trying to demonize a very gentle faith, a faith which is so universal in its outlook, a faith which says the ground state of the universe is consciousness. The consciousness in me, in you, in the ant, in the plant, in the animal is the same. I am Atma Brahma. This Atman within is that quantum self, which is non-local, beyond space and time, will not die, will go from life to life to life, and it is non-local, beyond space and time, and what is within me is what is everywhere. I am Atma Brahman. These are the Mahavakyas of the Vedas.
The work is a quest for our roots, a search for oneself. Colonel Arsen Singh feels the seminal work by General Bakshi is certain to change one's opinion of the Sanatan Dharma.
No, he is not only a soldier. We all see him on television, not only a military and a strategic analyst. But more than that, he is rooted and he has a passion for India's heritage. And he has written 2 books. One is on the Indus Valley Civilization, Saraswati Valley Civilization, which is again very, very, scientific. Very, very scientific and very, very empirical. If somebody was to read that book, he would change his opinion about, Saraswati Civilization or the Indus Valley Civilization.
Political commentator and journalist Pushpendra Kurushreshtha believes the groundbreaking work delves into the various phases of Sanatan.
ये किताबें आपको अपने पास्ट में आप कौन हैं, कहाँ से आए, आपकी सिविलाइजेशन क्या है, पूरा का पूरा जो आप सनातन जिसे कहते हैं, जिसकी तरफ इशारा सोमा में किया गया है, सनातन इज साइंस, टोटल साइंस है। आज हम लोग कहते हैं साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट, ये बात अलग है कि उस दौर की साइंस को समझने के लिए जो ट्रांसफ़र करना चाहिए था हमारे बुज़ुर्गों को, वो लोग नहीं कर पाए। या ये कह लीजिए कि इस बीच में एक दौर आया 700-800 साल का, तो उन्होंने जैसे नालंदा को जलाया, तो जितना भी आपका ट्रेजर था उसको ख़त्म करने की कोशिश की। लेकिन आज भी लोग हैं कि सनातन क्या है, सूरज क्या है, धरती क्या है, पर्यावरण क्या है, पानी क्या है। तो कुल मिलाकर के मैं ये कहूँगा कि इस किताब में उन फैक्ट्स को, वो चीज़ें जो छुपी हुई थी और उसको ख़ासतौर से इंग्लिश में उसको नरेट नहीं किया जा रहा था, जिस भाषा में लोग करते थे वो आम लोगों की भाषा नहीं थी। आज इस सोमा बुक से मुझे लगता है कि जो वेस्टर्न थॉट है, जो वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन है, जो ये मानते हैं कि शायद सब कुछ उन्हीं के पास है, मैं समझता हूँ कि वो अभी भी हमारी इस ट्रेजर का 1% भी नहीं है। लिहाजा ये किताब जो है एक एकेडमिया के अंदर जाएगी और लोगों को तब पता चलेगा कि भारत जिसके बारे में ये कहा जाता है कि ये तो सदियों से है।
The publication explores the scientific outlook of Vedic wisdom, bringing together Shridinga of the West and the Upanishads of the East.
I'd like to point out that our Upanishadic sages, our Rigvedic rishis, had tackled the same problem thousands of years ago. It will not resonate with the children who are far more educated than perhaps our forefathers were. They are far more aware. They have so many avenues of knowledge and knowing. Internet, opens the world out to them, a world of information. So unless you talk to him in the language of the age, which is science, unless you tell him that what you are saying, what the Vedas are saying and what the quantum mechanics is saying is the same. What Schrödinger said is exactly what is being tried to be expressed in the Upanishads. You know, it will resonate far more with the present youth who have been born in an era of scientific discovery, scientific breakthroughs. So we must re-express the Sanatan Dharma in the language of the age, which is science.
A reinterpretation of the Vedas, the title aims to enlighten the youth about the glorious wealth of knowledge in the Vedic era. Bureau Report, Republic TV.